The cat got his fucking head stuck in the chair.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you make
Do you want to eat? Okay.
Yeah, that's where catnip came from.
And then you started cleaning yourself with your gross, stinky little gross breath.
Over these double baked. What? Oh!
You're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Yo, Spunky, what are you doing, dog? You sniffing ass?
Oh no.
Yes, I ask questions.
Oh, Maya.
I'm sorry, I just asked a question.
Meow!
I love you.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that.
My cat fucking stuck in the fucking floor. Oh, she really stuck, man.
Animal of the
I love you.
Him that much. Hoppy!
Do something, cat.
You're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
¿Te doy donde vive la Vicky?
Oh my god.
Hoş geldin.
Okay.
Oh my god. This is not happening.
He's a male. He's a very loving cat.
Mila! Mila!
Huh?
Kızı.
Oh, live the king. I love you.
厉害啦！你再回去。
Still just purring away. You okay?
Okay. No.
Carl.
Para de me lamber, eu não peguei o cachorro, não. Eu não peguei.
He's like growling, but
Right?
Lagi begitu tuh foto.
I know you're about to bite me.
Paige, it's you.
What a tease.
Playing in the cobwebs, you look like you're wearing a veil.
Are you ugly on purpose? Excuse me?
Baby work.
Stop, you're scaring me.
You're
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Get off my car. I mean, guys, sorry, the cats are doing something stupid again, and that's just.
Don't do it! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
To you too.
Tiga. Cipi cipi capa capa dubi dubi daba daba
Under arrest.
Today.